How is the handle installed on the inside of the tank for correct placement and smooth operation? Start by removing the tank lid and setting it aside on a soft surface to avoid chips. Locate the flush valve assembly at the center of the tank and identify the mounting hole at the front left or right of the tank wall where the handle shaft comes through. From inside the tank, place the handle arm and its bracket so the shaft aligns through the hole and the arm rests near the chain or lift wire connecting to the flapper. Slide the provided nut onto the shaft on the inside and hand tighten until the bracket sits flush against the tank wall, leaving a small amount of rotation so the handle returns to neutral smoothly. Adjust the arm orientation so the lift wire has a slight upward angle at rest, avoiding slack or an over-tight pull that can keep the flapper open. Once the position produces a smooth, short throw that fully lifts the flapper and allows it to reseat easily, tighten the nut firmly but do not over-torque to prevent cracking the tank wall. Common mistakes include over-tightening the nut, which can crack porcelain and cause leaks, leaving the lift wire too loose so the flapper does not seal, and positioning the arm so it binds against the tank wall or lever bracket. If the nut is over-tightened, back it off and replace with a new nylon or stainless nut if damage is visible, and tighten only until snug. If the flapper does not seal because the lift wire is too loose, shorten the wire or attach one additional link so the flapper lifts fully and closes without extra slack. If the arm binds, rotate the entire handle assembly slightly or reorient the bracket so the arm clears obstructions and moves freely through its travel. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like this and lets us share real installation tips and experiences. We host a discussion community where our members ask questions, post photos, and trade practical fixes so both homeowners and contractors can find relevant work and reliable help.